My name is Scott Roberton, and today we're going to walk you through the 30R Revolution Ocean Alexander. This is our 100 motor yacht. This is a 5-stateroom yacht with an on-deck master. We're going to start with the beach club here. We have a flip-up door with a little bit of a rain shower on this side, but this entire area turns into an entire beach club, has air conditioning, and then on the back here we have a hydraulic swim platform as well. As you lower the swim platform, this is a ladder that expands as this platform goes down so that you have the ability to walk down to the platform from the beach club. Let's go ahead and walk up these stairs and we'll see the aft deck. Almost a 22-foot beam, so this area is quite large in size for a 100-footer. This area has got a nice U-shaped couch back here. We got an ice maker and refrigerator, and we got a drop-down television from the ceiling here. All this is teak with gray inserts, and then we have teak stairs that take us to the fly bridge. As you make your way from this area into our salon, a touch of a button takes you into this enormous salon and dining room. As we make our way into the salon, you'll see these large windows on both sides to bring a lot of natural light into this cabin. So as you move your way forward, you do have a couch on the port side. We also will have a couch on this starboard side as well. Just forward of that is going to be your dining room table. This is a table set for 10. On the port and starboard are electric doors that will take you out to the side decks and which lead you to the bow with tremendous bow seating. So just forward of this area is going to be our galley. As you make your way into the galley, this is a chef's dream kitchen all put together here. Got a really nice big refrigerator, huge freezer, dishwasher. Got a wine cooler in here. We got a Wolf oven. You got your 4-burner stove. But overall, a nice little area to have, sit down, plan the meals. But this galley is very well put together. As you make your way outside of the galley, we got some really nice areas hidden here of storage along these panels. But as a chef would want an additional freezer very close to the actual galley. So you've got a nice stand-up freezer right here. As you make your way a little bit more forward, this is going to be your day head for your main level. So this is our on-deck master, one of the 5 staterooms on the yacht. This is full beam all the way forward on the deck. You got 2 walk-in closets on both sides and a king-size bed. There's drawers that go all the way around the bed as well. And there's drawers here as well, and then the 2 nightstands. But you have to take a look at these closets. As you make your way into the master head, dual sinks, you have a tub, a real nice walk-in shower here. But this back area right here is giving a lot of natural light into this master head, and this has an electric blackout shade as well. So this is our new generation pilot house up here. It's a little bit smaller compared to our fully enclosed bridge, but it gives you a lot more space on the aft deck, which we're going to go back and take a look at. So we have 3 nice sized screens, all carbon fiber, 2 amazing helm chairs here with all inlaid diamond stitching. This is just so comfortable, very, very well laid out. And just forward of this helm, we're going to have some bow seating, which we're going to take you out to. This is tremendous bow seating. You've got it facing each other, a U shape facing the bow of the boat, and then another sun pad here, which is going to face the back of the boat. But what's really unique about this sun pad area is if you're having an entertaining up in here, you can have people sitting here and here. But after you're moving down the waterway and you want to face where you're going, this other side here will lift up as well, and this side will lay down. So it gives you really nice where you can use it both ways. This area also has a sunshade that'll go over it. So if you're enjoying it up here during the day and want to stay out of the sun, you can. So as you make your way out to the fly bridge, the new generation pilot house here has given this area, when you build it this way, a lot more outdoor space. So first thing you get is a very large bar over to your starboard side. But where I'm sitting here is a tremendous U-shaped seating couch. And then the table we built here is all high gloss teak that goes up and down. So if you want to sit here and just have hors d'oeuvres and coffee, we put it in the lower position. If you want to have dinner out here, you can do that as well. As you make your way from this area and go back, you're going to have a hot tub back there. And then also you're going to have areas to sunbathe and sit out there. And we also will add some chairs as well. To your far starboard on this side is going to be your access back down to your lower aft deck. As we make our way back down to the aft deck here, one of the really nice features that 08 does is gives you a really wide walk around. So you can see the width of this, plenty of room. If the captain or mates are carrying fenders, you got plenty of room to bring them. And then we also do these elliptical handrails all the way around instead of the circular ones. It really grabs your hand. But look at the detail of the cleats and the stainless that Ocean Alexander does in their yachts. So as you make your way from the main deck, you're going to come down to the lower companionway, and down here we have 4 additional staterooms. In the VIPs in the back, they're going to be queen beds with their own in-suite heads, and then forward you're going to have 2 staterooms that are singles. In a custom build, we could also make this into one large second master, which is really nice. Now this companionway area offers a washer dryer, which we have a second set as well in the crew, storage behind this panel, and then a refrigerator down here for the guests. Now we're down in the crew's quarters. This is for 5 crew. We also have a separate cabin for the captain, and then we have 2 other cabins that are bunk beds for the other 4 crew. We have obviously a head with a separate shower down here as well, and then we have a nice dinette area, L-shaped. You got a refrigerator, you got a microwave, sink over here, but really nice, comfortable area for the crew. So as you make your way forward of the crew, you're going to come into the engine room. This boat we equipped with twin 1900 man engines. We have 2 generators that are 40 kW. Easy engine room to get around. This is one of the things that we find important, is to be able to have a complete walk around on the motors. This way the captain and the crew can get around what they need to do to maintain all this. Thanks for taking the time today to walk through the 30 Revolution Ocean Alexander with me.